Established in 2014 and headquartered in Baoan, Shenzhen, Zhongdian Technology Company Limited is an IoT-based and industry and big data-driven shared power bank service provider operating on a whole industry chain approach. The company engaged in R&D, production, sales, and operation of shared power bank, as well as providing ODM/OEM service. The self-owned factory has a daily production capacity of 3,000 power banks of various types. The company has the patent for core technology of shared power bank and world-leading anti-theft technology. The factory uses advanced fully automated assembly line production, equipped with a variety of high-tech inspection and testing equipment. Each product is strictly checked before leaving the factory. The design is fashionable and beautiful, and it is sustainable for use in different places. It is the only company in the industry that provides a full range of products, including vertical cabinets, desktop cabinets, high-definition screen cabinets, etc., to meet the needs of various customers.